Hello everyone, welcome on Let's Study channel. Today we are going to learn 2.6 World Heritage from class 10. See 2.6 World Heritage. Warming up. In chit chat, question number 1 is I can talk about the world. Form groups of 6 to 8 students. Each group should select any one continent and share the following information about each. The points are important cities, sightseeing places of tourist interest, food specialty cuisine, wildlife, different types of region and vegetation, human life. Now each group representative from the previously formed groups should narrate the information to the class using proper attractive sentences. That means after collecting the information about continent relating with these points, you have to present that information in front of the class. म्हणजे वर्गातील 6 ते 8 विद्यार्थ्यांचा एक गट करून प्रत्येक गटाने जगातील एका खंडाची निवड करायची आणि त्या खंडाबद्दल या दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांच्या संदर्भामध्ये माहिती जमा करायची आणि ती माहिती ग्रुप लीडरने वर्गासमोर मांडायची. See, I have chosen Antarctica. Important cities in Antarctica. There are no cities on the Antarctica continent. Places of tourist interest: Deception Island, Elephant Island, King George Island, Ross Island. In short, various islands, volcanoes, glaciers and penguins. Food specialty: seafood, ruby violets, Antarctic roll, apricot, almond, shellfish, etc. Apricot means zardalu. Wildlife: penguins, killer whales, albatrosses, snow petrels, elephant seals, etc. Albatross means a big seabird and petrels means a seabird. Different types of region and vegetation. The flora of Antarctica consists of around 250 lichens, 100 mosses, 25 to 30 liverworts, around 700 terrestrial and aquatic algal species, fungi, and 2 flowering plants. There are no trees or shrubs. Vegetation or flora means vanaspati. Lichen means dagadful. Terrestrial means those live on land as well as in water. Aquatic means Jalachar. Human life. No human live permanently in Antarctica. However, about 1000 to 5000 people live through the year at the science stations in Antarctica. This is all about Antarctica. Next continent I have chosen is Africa. Important cities: Cape Town, Johannesburg, Durban, Pretoria, Port Elizabeth, Eastern Cape, etc. Sightseeing places of tourist interest: Cairo, Cape Town, Victoria Falls, Zanzibar, Tanzania, Kruger National Park, etc. Food specialty: Papon Glaze, piri piri chicken, jollof rice and goosey soup, bunny chow, Capenta with Sanza, Namibian Vengeance, Chambo with Sima, etc. Wildlife: lions, rhinos, cheetahs, giraffes, hippos, leopards, zebras, African elephants, etc. Different types of region and vegetation: tropical grassland, savanna, Sahara, Sahel, rainforest. Human life: Maasai of Kenya and Tanzania, Zulu of South Africa, Bushman, San or Khoisan of South Africa, Southern Ndebele tribe of South Africa, Samburu of Northern Kenya. 90% of people in Africa live in informal housing and often lack basic needs such as sanitation, clean water, and food security. Poor living conditions affect entire communities as crowded living spaces, dirty water, lack of hygiene, and food insecurity contribute to disease transmission. Question number 2. Prepare a travel brochure or leaflet of your native place or any town or historical place or hill station to attract tourists using the points below. I have chosen a hill station, that is Mahabaleshwar. Nearest railway station, Pune. Nearest airport, Pune. Nearest bus stand, Mahabaleshwar. Top 5 spots to visit are Mapro Garden, Wilson Point, Vinna Lake, Arthur Seat Point, Elephant's Head Point. Special features of these spots: Mapro Foods Factory, sunrise and sunset, boating, horse riding, shaped like a table and shaped like an elephant. What fun or entertainment we have here, that are horse riding, boating, golf course, swimming, and amusement park. Mouth-watering or special cuisine. Here we can enjoy strawberries, milkshakes, chicky, chicken lollipops. Other nearby sightseeing spots are Pratapgarh, Pachgani, Tapola Hill Station and Satara. Happy journey to all of you. Do visit Mahabaleshwar. Contact number is 1234567890. Email enjoy@travels.com. See this picture of Mapro Garden. It's a garden park which comprises a chocolate factory, a lovely nursery, a restaurant, a children's play area. It is also an extension of the Mapro Foods factory. See this beautiful view of Wilson Point. It is situated 1439 meters above sea level. You can get a panoramic glance of Mahabaleshwar from this point. It offers breathtaking views of the sunrise and sunset. This is Maina Lake, constructed in 1842 by Sri Appasaheb Maharaj, the Raja of Satara. It is fringed by lush green trees on all sides. You can enjoy paddle or row boating on its placid waters or a horse ride around the lake. This is Arthur's Seat Point. It offers captivating views of the Vardhan valleys of Brahma Aryan and the river Savitri. This viewpoint is shaped like a huge table that remains balanced on a natural pillar. This is Elephant's Head Point. The spot bears an uncanny resemblance to the head and trunk of the elephant, with abundant greenery and scenic beauty. This is all about the Mahabaleshwar. I think you would definitely visit the Mahabaleshwar. Thank you for watching the video.